Good day everyone, welcome to Girly Larano channel. Today's video, I will show you how to cook chicken skewers or Korean chicken barbecue. The ingredients we need to prepare for our chicken barbecue are chicken breast, leeks, ground black pepper, roast sesame seeds, white wine, olive oil, soy sauce, seasoning, tashida, black sesame seeds, garlic, leeks, chili paste, honey, and salt. So first thing we're going to do is to prepare our chicken and sauce. Here we go. Let's start with the chicken. So let's open this lid. So actually you can use any chicken parts. You can use a drumstick, but this time I choose to use this chicken breast. Then the other half, let's just make it fast. And then let's wash. Let's just wash one time. Now let's cut this into bite pieces that we can put in the skewer. So let's put this into the bowl. This time guys, let's put some basic seasoning. Here guys, let's put 2 tablespoons of white wine, 1 and 2. Here let's put 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is a small size teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then gently mix. Let's soak these skewers also into the water. This time guys, let's prepare our sauce. Let's put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 and 2. We have 1 tablespoon of white wine, 1. Then 2 tablespoons of honey, 1. We use honey to balance the saltiness. So let's use 2 cloves of garlic or 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Here guys, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. Then let's mix. And let's taste. It's good. Then I'm going to make spicy sauce like Korean taste sauce. So I will just copy this basic sauce, and then add the spicy chili paste. Here guys, copied already the first and second sauce. Now let's put 2 teaspoons of chili paste, 1 and 2. Actually this one is like a medium size of spoon. Let's mix. Let's set aside first this sauce. Next guys, let's cut these leeks. Let's use second crease of our finger to measure the length of our leeks. It should be same or appropriate length. So this one is too thick, this is big, so let's just cut twice. Oh, in half, like that. Let's cut in the middle. So here guys, I will just cut this into half, this big size, because you can, if you can eat lots of leeks if you're going to include this big size. So I just used half. I cut this half, and then the rest, this one is just whole, small size, medium size. It's okay. So it's okay to eat this whole size, small size. This time guys, I want to cook this chicken and 80% in a way, and then let's remove in the let's remove in the frying pan, and then after removing, let's put in the skewers. Let's put in the skewers or in a stick, in the sticks. Otherwise, when you cook this chicken with leeks with a stick, it turns that the leeks will dissolve and then the wood will like burn. So let's cook this first, 80% cooking, and then let's remove and then put in the skewers. So here's our frying pan. Let's put a little bit of oil. Here we go. Then let's spread. Here we go guys. Let's cook in a medium heat. Now let's turn the heat off. Already off. So let's remove this out in the water. So I usually like to do 4 chickens and 3 leeks or spring onion. So the first thing and the last thing should be the best taste thing, which is the chicken. Turns like this. Here guys, this came out of 8 pieces. Good. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here guys, the small size of tin foil. So all we need is just a small size of tin foil. Simply wrap this edge, not to stick with it. We will marinate. So simply wrap this part. We need to put this tin foil so that when you hold this stick, your hand will not become sticky because of the sauce. So here is our frying pan. Let's put in a medium heat. Put little oil in it. So just little oil. Spread it out. So let's put the stuff now. So we flip it over. So once we got these marks, let's put this sauce. put this spicy gochujang sauce. Little good base. So give it a flip. Let's go to the other side, the base. There we go. We put the gochujang, the chili paste. Looks good. Then turn off the heat. Looks good. The other four, guys, is our not spicy. The one we made the other sauce. So I already flipped the other side. So guys, this is now the result of our Korean chicken skewers. So guys, simply remove this foil out. So very clean. Here guys, let's mix salad with this to partner with our chicken barbecue or chicken skewers. Let's put 2 tablespoons of white wine. 1, 2. Yes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next is black pepper. Just put small amount of black pepper. Then raw sesame seeds, white. Little amount of black pepper. Let's use 1 tablespoon of honey. Here we go. Okay, guys. And small amount of salt here. Just sprinkle more and mix. Let's sprinkle sesame seeds and also black sesame seeds. So here we go.